Coyotes are living among us on Cape Cod. To raise awareness, the Friends of Cape Wildlife invited the founder of Project Coyote to share 2 award-winning short films promoting compassionate coexistence.
My name is Camilla Fox, and I'm the founder and executive director of Project Coyote, and we're a national nonprofit organization that's based in Northern California. But we are national, have presence all across the East as well. We produced this film called Killing Games, Wildlife in the Crosshairs, basically to educate people about how prevalent these wildlife killing contests are across the country. They're legal in every U.S. state with the exception of California, where we ban the practice, and the film actually shows how we did that in California. One of the aims is to inspire people about what they can do to end the practice.
This past February, a local gun outfitter sponsored a coyote killing contest, sparking controversy. We reached out to the Powderhorn for comment, and they declined.
Coyotes and bobcats and foxes and even wolves are targeted in these contests where the person who kills the most or the largest is awarded sometimes a belt buckle, a rifle, and really it's revealing a much bigger issue, which is that these animals have no protections by our state agencies.
In the state of Massachusetts, there are no limits on how many can be killed. We spoke with coyote expert Dr. John Way to learn more about our local population.
Coyotes that live on Cape Cod are part of the overall kind of population from northeastern North America. It's been found that predators are vitally important to maintaining ecosystem health, reducing populations of pest animals, pest being kind of a human derogative term of course, but prey animals might be a better way to put it, reducing diseases in ecosystems, actually saving people. Mountain lions are believed to prevent people from dying because they kill deer, which otherwise might kill deer in human car accidents. So the presence of predators is unanimously been found to be important, and unfortunately the entities, mainly state fish and wildlife organizations managing predators, has taken the exact opposite tack of protecting them. So while we know they're ecologically really important, they're not given many protections at all.
This kind of activity, it does have an impact on the entire pack, and it has a cascading effect on the ecosystem, and that's something we need to be concerned about.
By taking precautions, living safely and comfortably near coyotes is easy.
It's important to realize they're definitely a medium-sized predator living amongst us, whether they're a smaller western coyote or this larger eastern coyote. Regardless of where they are, they're still a predator living amongst us, so we've got to be aware of that. But their relative danger is astonishingly low.
There's a whole variety of ways that we can safely and peacefully coexist with these animals. Right now we're in pupping season, so coyotes are having their young. And it's a time to be a little bit more mindful when we're out recreating with our dogs that coyotes probably have dens with young that they're bringing up. Being mindful also of not intentionally or unintentionally feeding wildlife that could attract unwanted wild animals. And a whole variety of ways of mitigating attractants around our neighborhoods and our specific areas. And I will share that we have a plethora of resources about how we can coexist with animals on our website, which is projectcoyote.org.
Beyond education and outreach, the Friends at Cape Wildlife are encouraging locals to get involved.
The most short-term thing is to get people to reach out to their local and state legislators in order to have them change the laws and have, literature showing that this is supported by the science, that the laws should be changed. And regardless of killing enough animals doesn't make them go extinct, people want them around for other reasons than to just kill them.
I have heard from a number of constituents throughout, not just specifically within my precinct, but throughout the town, so from other villages within the town. There are quite a number of people who have been very vocal about it.
People here care about wildlife. They don't want to see the predators here killed in this wanton, wasteful activity. And I think a lot of people are beginning to see also why they matter, why, whether a black bear or a wolf or a coyote really is beneficial to species diversity and the integrity of healthy functioning ecosystems. We can safely and peacefully coexist with them.
For Cape Media News, I'm Gabrielle Rossum.